Hare Krishna, this is Aishwarya presenting you a unique recipe of bottle gourd gravy, also known as Lauki ki sabzi. So let's get ready. To begin with, I am adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of refined oil in a heavy bottom kadhai on a high flame. Adding 2 green chilies over here. It's safer to cut the green chilies or green coriander by scissor, a sharp scissor, instead of using knife. So most of the times I use scissor to cut green chilies. So friends, here I am adding half a tablespoon of cumin seeds, half a tablespoon of kalonji or mongrel, you can call it mongrel, adding half a tablespoon of asafoetida, and half a tablespoon of turmeric powder. Now adding 2 tablespoons of dried cumin powder, that is jeera powder. Stir them nicely into the oil. Now adding 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, that is dhania powder. Stirring it nicely. And now adding kasuri methi, the dried kasuri methi, around 2 tablespoons. Mix them nicely with the masala. And adding 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, can be added as per your taste, and adding salt, again as per your taste. Now we'll add some water to cook the masala, and we'll let it cook until it leaves some oil, and we'll keep repeating this process for 4 to 5 times. See, the oil has come up. Now again I'm adding some water, and then I will leave it for some time until it again leaves some oil. Repeating this process again and again makes your curry much more tastier, so that you don't get the kacha flavor of masalas in your curry. See, a lot of oil has already come up. It has already left oil. So now I'm adding chopped bottle gourd or lauki. I already chopped them before in the diced shape. So here I have taken the full bottle gourd of around 500 grams or 700 grams, and now mixing it with the masalas. As I told in the beginning that this recipe is quite a unique recipe, as generally people don't like to eat lauki or bottle gourd. So this is quite a different recipe. I'm sure you will definitely like it, and it's definitely different from the normal lauki ki sabzi. So friends, I've added little water and just close the lid for some time so that the lauki cooks nicely. After opening the lid, I'm seeing that the lauki is almost done, but still little kacha, so again I will close the lid. So here I have taken a bowl in which I have added 500 grams of dahi, curd, and now whisking the curd. I haven't mixed any salt or sugar into it, simply curd, 500 grams of curd. Here I have opened the lid and found that the lauki or bottle gourd is well cooked. Now what we'll do is we'll mix this sabzi or salan directly into the curd. Yes, the curd which I whisked, it's ready, and I've mixed all the sabzi into this curd. So now you know why I was telling this recipe a unique recipe for any lauki ki sabzi. I'm sure you haven't had such kind of lauki ki sabzi before. So I've added all the lauki into the curd. And that's not at all, guys. There's one more twist in the recipe. Here I've taken a kalchi and I've added 4 tablespoons of refined oil. Now I'm adding little curry leaves and half a tablespoon of cumin seeds. Now we'll add this tadka directly into the sabzi and close it with the lid, and it's almost done, guys. Finally I'm adding some red chili powder to garnish it, and your bottle gourd sabzi is ready. Since this is a Sattvic food which we have cooked without any onion or garlic, we can offer this food to Lord Shri Krishna as well by putting a tulsi onto it, and you are good to go. Hope you like the recipe. Hare Krishna.